Hi there. So to import your own skies, what you can do is go over here, click on that icon over there, and then go to texture importer, type in the name of the folder that you going to import, and then select source folder, choose the folder, you won't see any images because we're just choosing the folder. So just give it a minute, and then go to your sky, click on those three dots. Now that's for the external profile. If you created your own profiles, then you would probably have a profile for your external images, and then just make sure that you go to the settings of the auto quick swap and go to texture options, and then just choose the new folder that you created.